Hi everyone, I'm Erin O'Loughlin and here's my brief introduction to lifespan development. So you might ask, why is it important to study the development of the human lifespan? The concept of lifespan development refers to the changes that occur throughout the duration of human life from birth until death. It is important to understand the basis of studies that account for the normal range of development that is present throughout our lives. Through studying this area of development, we get a better look into the scope of physical, cognitive, and social development. Physical, cognitive, and social. We are always growing. So first we'll begin with physical development, which is the development that classifies the ways in which human bodies develop and grow throughout their lives. Examples of this include growth in height, changes in brain, and understanding of the basic needs for life. In this phase, you might grow out of some old clothes and shoes, and your senses may help you understand what time is good for you to go to sleep and when you should eat next. On to the next important subcategory, cognitive development, which is the development of intellectual reasonings and thought processing capabilities that affect individual behavior. Examples of this. Since this is directly related to intellectual development, cognitive development plays a significant role of helping to explore new environments, developing patterns of memory, and giving new insights to problem-solving mechanisms. The last subcategory that we'll talk about in this video is the personality and social development. This consists of a unique set of characteristics that cause patterns of behaviors and emotions that distinctualize humans and their individuality throughout their lives. Humans are made up of a multitude of unique facets that create each individual personality. Here are some straightforward examples of generalized traits that would make up a personality. For example, positive traits would be honesty, or if they were encouraging, and negative traits would be if they were rude or selfish. Our interactions change, grow, and even stabilize throughout different courses of our life. Now we'll go into the basics of age ranges. The prenatal period is the beginning period of growth that occurs from conception to birth. Infancy and toddlerhood is a period of growth that occurs between birth to age 3. The preschool period is the growth period that occurs from age 3 to age 6. The middle childhood period is the growth time that occurs from age 6 to age 12. Into the next phase, which is the adolescence period, which is change that occurs from around generally the age 12 until the age of 20. Following that is the young adulthood phase, which is the growth that occurs around age 20 until age 40. Middle adulthood occurs around the growth happening from age 40 through 65. And the final stage in the age range category is late adulthood, which is the final stage of growth that occurs from around age 65 until death. Through this video, we picked up on a few topics. The basics of the lifespan development in 3 major categories: physical development characteristics, cognitive development and thinking, and social development and its influence on personality. Last, we introduced a general scale of age ranges.